What's up, guys? Joe here from Daywood Outdoors, coming to you guys live. Show you part 2 of our raised bed gardens. The wife doing some work. We are live on YouTube. Yes, we are. We are live on YouTube.
What are you videoing this?
Yeah. That's what the raised beds look like.
Hannah? It's a good workout, huh?
Yeah.
Especially when you're not used to it. Looks pretty good. Can't wait to plant. Get some nice soil in there and label everything. Hope everybody's staying safe during this coronavirus. This is something outdoors the kids would like to do, maybe. Start a garden. If they get in trouble, make them pull weeds.
You can turn it off.
Okay.